Hi, and welcome to Computer Tutorials, brought to you by the Public Library of Anniston and Calhoun County. In today's video, we'll be going over how to use the Libby app for Apple and Android-based devices. The Libby app is an application that allows you to search for thousands of ebooks, audiobooks, and magazines in the palm of your hand. All you need is an internet connection and either an Apple or Android-based smart device. To download the application onto your Apple device, first tap on the App Store and search for Libby by Overdrive. Tap on the Install button, and when your download is finished, tap on Open. For Android devices, go into the Google Play Store and search for the Libby app and tap on the green Install button. From here, experiencing the app is the same no matter the device. When you first start Libby, it will ask you to search for your local library. Type in Public Library of Anniston and Calhoun County, or your local library, and tap on the matching search results. From here, you can type in your library card number and we can begin browsing. The library app comes equipped with a simple to understand toolbar with 5 buttons: the search button, the home button, the settings button, the bookshelf button, and the loan history button. Use the search button to look up titles and authors. When you find the media you'd like to check out, tap on the Borrow button. You'll have 7 to 21 days to borrow media before it is automatically returned. To view what you've checked out, tap on the Bookshelf button and then tap Open in Libby. The Libby app has its own built-in e-reader with features such as word lookup, font settings, bookmarking, and page scrolling for easy reading. If you finish your loaned media before your time is up, you can return it by tapping on Manage Loan and then Return Early. If the media you want has already been checked out, you can add yourself to the hold list by tapping on the Hold button. The Libby app will notify you when your media has become available. Thank you for watching. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content. For more information, please go to our website at publiclibrary.cc.